So guys, here at Rosslynlee Fishery again, and yeah, as you can see, it's pretty snowy, so I'm going to try a few things and see how it goes. Plenty of coffee breaks if needed. Just did a few casts out, my hands are freezing with the line going through my fingers, but we'll see how we get on. Hopefully we can capture something. But yeah, freezing cold, freezing cold. So this was me fishing in the morning, and as you can see, freezing cold day. Trying to heat my hands up every 2 seconds. That north wind along with the water coming off the line in my hands was really painful. It was one of those mornings I thought, what am I doing here? But sometimes that's what you've got to do, and yeah, I persevered for a bit, but it got to the point where my hands were actually getting so painful. I decided to switch to another method, which meant I wouldn't have to retrieve. Now, a method that some people really don't like, which is the bung. Now, to be honest, I don't fish the bung that often. I've not really got a problem with it. I tend not to fish it because in my angling club we're not allowed to fish the bung, so I like to fish methods that I'm going to be fishing in my angling club. And yeah, so I decided to move location a bit to get out of the wind and try going on the bung for a bit. Now, to me, the bung fishing, I mean, you can say it's float fishing. Yeah, I guess it is, but if it's in the rules of the fishery, why not? I mean, a morning like this, that was a godsend. It meant I could still actually fish in a way that wouldn't mean that I would have to stop fishing. So I thought I'll give it a bash for a little while and yeah, see how it went. So last point on the bung, really, I mean, I know people get upset about it, but for me, I think there's two things. I see anglers who maybe getting older in age using the bung because they can't physically fish all day, so I think that's great for them, still gets them out fishing. Second thing, I think if you look at a lot of fisheries, there are a lot of people fishing the bung these days, and if they weren't there, how good would the fisheries be doing? It seems a new crowd's been attracted to the sports through bung fishing. Now, you might think that's a good or a bad thing, but angling numbers are dropping, so to me it's a good thing to get people interested in the sport. But I know it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea. You won't see me fishing a bung that often. It was literally, my hands were too cold to be retrieving line this morning, but I might do a video on the bung actually. Why not? I mean, people do fish that method, so I probably will cover that at some point. I've not got a real issue with it. I don't think it should be allowed in competition fishing, but for a leisure day's fishing, you can fish however you like, as long as the fishery allows it. Crack on, in my opinion. So yeah, north wind, freezing cold temperatures, nothing wrong with fishing the bung. go guys, first fish of the day. On a nice little amber sort of worm. Deep down, about 15 feet or so. Cracking little fish. Good start to the day, worth coming out in the snow, so hopefully that continues. Cheers.
I tried to give away all I had. My mind was full of my mistakes. I've been too fragile through my life, and I'm missing you so bad. Don't know if I should call you back. You know it's getting dark inside my head. I feel there's something that is stopping me now. There's something that is, I feel there's something that is, I feel there's something that is stopping me now. Oh, and I try to forget all what I had, but is my mind really gonna cut you out? I feel like no prayers are gonna help myself. No, don't know if I should call you back. You know it's getting dark inside my head. I feel there's something that is stopping me now.
Guys, fish number 2. Only been at this peg for about 20 minutes, so there's definitely fish here and they're down deep, so yeah, slightly bigger fish. Yeah, even though it looks like a tough day, it might be a good day, so good stuff. So at this point guys, I'm just mixing up the speed of the retrieve a bit, so I always use weighted flies. I just prefer doing that. It gives them a different action in the water going up and down, and I think the fish like that, so mixing up the speeds changes where your flies will be in the water, how deep they'll be, so it's always good to mix it up. And yeah, it's another way of finding how deep the fish are. Just, you see here it's quite a fast retrieve, and then I change on to a slow retrieve. That'll keep the flies down a bit.
I tried to give away all I had. My mind was full of my mistakes. I've been too fragile through my life, and I'm missing you so bad. Don't know if I should call you back. You know it's getting dark inside my head. I feel there's something that is stopping me now. There's something that is, I feel there's something that is, I feel there's something that is stopping me now.
So this is me now at Swanswater Fishery. It's a beautiful morning, as you can see there. There was a storm approaching, Storm Ciara, and by the end of the day it was pretty wild. So yeah, filming got abandoned that day, purely because I couldn't even keep the camera on its stand. It got that windy, but it was a great day's fishing, and as you can see, that was one of the fish. It was over 4 pounds, and the biggest was 4 pounds 12. So some cracking fish, and there you go. That was for dinner that night, and as you can see, even the flesh on them looks amazing, nice and pink. Great quality and great conditioned fish. Okay, so now on to the competition, and basically just wanted to offer something as a prize. I've got plenty of flies, loads of fly boxes, and not a time on flies, so yeah, just a chance to win some killer winter patterns. Definitely will catch you fish. So yeah, this is the fly box, tacky fly box. It's only been in my bag a few times, so it's not brand new, but it's pretty much as good as. Great little fly boxes. Got a few of them and really like them. Really good compared to other cheaper versions. So that's going to be all the flies included in the fly box. Between them, you will definitely catch fish in winter. Probably do something similar with more natural flies in a while, but some killer buzzer, shrimp, and a cormorant there. Always going to catch you fish. 2 of my favourite crunchers, and 2 of my favourite dialbacks. Yeah, again, killer patterns. Daddy Longlegs catches you fish all year round. A couple of snatchers, which are great for your top dropper. This is a foam daddy, which is quite big and great on a sinking line, believe it or not. So yeah, something to mix up on the sinking line as opposed to just a booby. 3 small boobies, including a yellow dancer one, which again, on sinking lines this time of year, bag you some fish. A couple of larger boobies for the sinking line. The olive one especially has bagged me many fish this winter. On to lures now, and all of these are weighted, so a pink one, sort of yellow, white and yellow. An orange minke and a black minke, great patterns, especially for browns I find. An alternative to a snake. This is obviously intended to mimic a perch fry. Retrieve that quickly and it'll bag you some great fish. Another couple of Fritz lures, so black and green, killer winter pattern, and black and orange. Pulse material these are tied with, so these are like lures, but with a new pulse material I've been using, and it literally pulse in the water, and I've caught me loads of fish. Damsel, best pattern all year round, will catch you fish at any time of year. Ecstasy blobs or eggs. If you use blobs, replace them with these, you'll catch more fish. Great under the indicator too. A couple of different coloured apps. These do the damage on an intermediate line retrieved or under the bung. So if you want to win, just simply subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment. If you could comment maybe just something you'd like to see in future videos, or what's your most deadly winter fly pattern. Yeah, and that's the flies you could win. Definitely worth winning. We'll catch you many fish over winter, and I'll look to do similar things in the future. Maybe a box of natural flies. Thanks for watching guys, and catch you next time.